as the Ratchet Turns.
Hey guys, I'm Sean and you're watching As the Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. It's been a while, so let's see what's been going on around the shop. Here we got Ray replacing the battery in a Chevy truck. It's getting to be that time of the year. Don't let your battery fail you. Stop in and let us check it. Wyatt, the man, finishing up on a service on a CRV. Ron just finished doing a transmission service on the Hyundai. Tim, where are you, Tim? Tim's putting a transmission in the GMC. Brad cleaning some floors. That's what he does best. Here we've got a Lexus, came in for some service, checking it all over. One of the things that we try to check is the cabin air filter. And this cabin air filter needs replaced. Now, air does not have to flow through the cabin air filter, but it helps. We got Anna cleaning the lunchroom. She's doing a great job. Floors are dirty though.
I'm getting there.
Here we got a Toyota Tundra. Here we install a set of rough country drop steps on it. The unveiling. Remade in America. Jasper. Special delivery! The final component is here for the hot rod.
Don't miss out on a great rebate from Cooper Tire. Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center, a name you can trust.